Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick little help. I know there were some of you that weren't able to make the tutoring session today, so I wanted to go over number 20 with you. I will tell you that numbers 19 and 21 should be pretty easy and should go pretty quickly for you, okay? But let's go over number 20 because I know it's a little weird, okay? So the process is still the same. We're going to get rid of the 67 first, so I'm going to move that over. Okay, so it becomes negative. And then I'm going to factor out the 2. Okay, now 2 does not go into 5, but if it was an even number, you would just be dividing by 2, right? So even though it's an odd number, I'm still going to be dividing it by 2. I'm going to leave it in fraction form because it's a lot easier, I promise, okay? And then I'm going to put that space. Okay. All right. So again, the process is the same. So what is half of 5 halves? Half of 5 halves would be 5 fourths. 5 fourths squared. You're going to square the numerator and the denominator. So this is going to be a 25 over 16. Okay. Now, what did you really add? You really added 2 times 25 over 16, which becomes 25 over 8. Or 25 eighths, okay? All right, so let's go right this side. So I have x minus, I'm gonna put my squared, put my 2, and then now I have to go figure this out, right? Okay, so let me get my calculator because you know me, I can't add and subtract anymore. So I need a common denominator between negative 67 with a denominator of 1 and then 25 eighths, okay? So I'm just gonna multiply 67 by 8. And so this is going to become negative 536 eighths. Okay. And when I take that number and I add 25, right, because now my denominators are the same, I end up with negative 511 eighths. Okay. And then I'm just going to take that fraction and I'm going to move it over to the other side, and that's it. So it ends up looking like this. Okay, now if you change everything into decimals, you should still get the same thing. Just to verify, 511 eighths would become a 63.875 if you chose to do decimal versions. 5 fourths would be a 1.25. Okay, so hopefully that kind of helps. But I'm thinking that number 19 and 21 should go a little bit easier because everything's going to divide out nicely. Okay.